arrive in style with this Ford 2015 F-150 Lariat. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, memorized settings includes driver seat, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security remote anti-theft alarm system, multi-function display and memorized settings. Number of drivers, 3. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.